but what I got, I must work with it. The order is clear. It says let them proceed with their plan. However, there are conditions, and those conditions are written down. I want to ask you, here is only one district, other 2 districts are not here. I want to ask that let's get the message to other members as well. They must delete or download, or no, not delete, but download the document, read the document, and make sure that they understand what are the conditions that are written there, so that come Monday, we apply that. Our main focus is at night, tonight, tomorrow night. Let's focus, colleagues. Nobody must close the road. Roads must remain open. The order has given us that. Nobody must stop any school children going to school. The order is saying that. No shop must be closed. The order is giving that. So much that is written there. Now we are actually empowered, and I'm requesting us to do this job and do this job properly. Colleagues, I won't take long. Thank you very much. Let's be ready tomorrow and tonight, as well as on Monday. Let's do our best and do our job. I thank you.
It is known in the entire country that the EFF is planning to disrupt South Africa on Monday. Whether you call it a protest or a shutdown, it's a disorder in the province and in the country. And I want to say that I'm quite happy with the comprehensive report that the Prof joined under the Provincial Commissioner have briefed me yesterday. I have a full confidence that in Mpumalanga, as always, we are not going to be disrupted. We are not going to allow EFF to control our province. They are not in government. They have calculated that Tuesday, it's a public holiday. Most of the people will take a long weekend and they will want to use that for their own benefit. And I want to say we must not allow that. And I appreciate the number of you that are here today. It's only a Tanzania. I drove around today acting PC. I saw members of the TRT in disguise. I was very happy. Someone was driving in a very careless manner, and I said, let them go and talk to him. They know how to talk to a person. And I want to say to you, you are police, you are trained, you know your work. Anyone and everyone who is going to stand on our way. I've received messages from Hertzbande, from a private security company, and I've forwarded it to the PC, and already action is taken in that particular instance. And you know, there's one thing which I want to encourage. I've been away for 3 months for a sick purpose, and I'm back now. I've been always encouraging you as security cluster that this is a sector that you must not join if you are a coward. If you are a coward, you are going to allow a group of people to hold our business people at ransom, our people who are not only talking about business, we are also talking about our homes, our children, our families. No one must interfere with us. The police must act accordingly. That is why I always say, I don't allow any person who is a coward to be part of the security cluster. Because myself, as your MEC, I'm not a coward. So I don't want to work with cowards. I've already spoke to the acting provincial commissioner to to resource the TRT in the province. I want it to be resourced and to be more strong and to be supported even with tools of trade and also ranks. Yeah, and also ranks. So that is what I can say to you. I'm here to give you the moral support. Yes, I'm a politician, but I'm a politician who have most of my life worked with people like acting PC, about them, all of them, about Pototo, the family, the magistrate, the advocate, all of you. I'm one person who enjoy working with you. We are not going to wait for Monday. We are already in action. I've stopped myself. I was driving alone without my bodyguard. I've stopped people who were carrying tires, old tires, there by, what is this street, the notorious one? Anderson Street. I stopped them and asked them, where are they taking these tires to? So anything like tire, we must confiscate. Old tire is, no one can carry a tire, whether it's old or new, without having a proper license. Umsebenzi wenu ezimaphoyisa ukuthi nicheke nokuthi abantu abanama activities, are they licensed or not? We are not going to be held at ransom by EFF. I know that they will want to use these illegal foreigners to support them, because every time they preach their gospel that they are supporting illegal immigrants in the province. Take them together with them. Thank you very much. It's just a moral support that I'm here to give you. Ni right? Ni right, maphoyisa? Akuna paro songengwa ngithi. Thank you very much.
They say anybody that threatens them is doing nonsense. Anything that is out of the normal, what the law allows, what the Constitution allows, is nonsense. And don't make sure that you don't stop anything to stop that nonsense. But when people do things within the law, make sure that themselves are protected. But protect those that they think they have the right, supreme right than other people. They must not find the way, because you'll be there. So your job is to protect the limb, protect the life, and protect the property, and make sure that everybody works within the law. You yourself, you will work within the law, but everybody else works within the law. So one thing that I'm beginning to detect, there is a lot of provocation that is taking place. Refuse. Stay away from that provocation. Somebody yesterday issued the statement that their people must attack. So that's a war statement. So you can't come and cry foul to say that people are hard on you when you make the war statement. He said people must not use the phones, people must not use social media, but they must use person to person, and the last word there was to attack. Well, did not explain attack who, did not define the attack, did not define to attack ordinary people that would be on the road, did not define whether to attack the people that will be the forces, did not whether attack the shops, but it's a broad word that I would laugh that the law enforcement, when they begin to investigate, they investigate that statement. That's a statement that might cause us for trouble, and nobody should come back here. When you order attack, definitely there'll have to be counter-attack.